Yo guys, what is up? It is Bernard, back with a brand new video, and today I'm going to be playing some of the amazing games that are in the history of the world, Roblox, and today we're going to be playing obby. Like, that's what the thing is basically called. I actually don't know what to do on this, so, I'm just gonna go to Hulk and see what happens. Then I'm Hulk then. Okay. And then just keep on trying to jump over. I mean, that's part of the obby. So, let's do this. Okay, there you go. So, I'm just gonna, I was thinking of this as Fortnite, but, like, because you, like, use your mouse to turn over and stuff, but, like, this is not Fortnite anyway, so let's go. Sorry that I'm making noises on here. Okay. Okay. Oh no, oh no, oh no. Oh no, oh no, oh no. Oh no, there you go. That's really dangerous. I feel bad for people who are out. I'm not probably trying to be that. No! Don't tell me that I have to restart. Guys. Oh, okay, there you go. Oh yeah, because of this, there's like spawn thingy. Wait, what? I'm going the wrong way. No. I looked. Oh my god, no. I wasted like so much time. Good thing I actually don't have any Robux. Yeah, that's what you need Robux for. Usually YouTubers have Robux, but me as a YouTuber, no. I don't waste my money on Robux, so I like to get things that are free in the game. No, guys. Yeah, but still, I have to, like, I'm in the thingy. I get what they're trying to do. They're trying to trick us. No. This is what always happens to me. Today I was just filming a Fortnite video. Try to jump. 3, 2, 1. Oh no! That sucks. It sucks. It sucks to be like this. Like, what am I supposed to do now? No! This is something that I hate always. That guy is the same as me, but like... Oh my god. There's only one thing I don't like about this obby right now. I'm doing my best. It doesn't even let me. Oh, that guy almost made me die. I'm right at the edge, you guys. I was right at the edge that time. I'm right at the edge too. I just wanted to slip off, so I'm just gonna go like that. No. You guys gotta be kidding me. I want to see if there's any music on here. No. Skip stage. No way. Yeah, I was thinking that you had to do that. No. Jump up, jump. Oh my god. I'm gonna do the best. Oh yeah, I'm not. I'm going the wrong way. I felt like I'm going the right way, but no, I'm not. Try to go to over here. There you go. Okay, go try to go over here now. Oh, there you go. Try to go over here, and then over here, then over here. There you go. Past that stage. Oh, those are lasers. This guy paralyzed or... Oh yeah, I touched it. The guy wears this. The guy's like staying like this. What the heck? No way! No. You gotta be kidding me, right? That's not fair. This thing's cheating. Oh my god! No, you gotta be kidding me. At least once. You gotta be kidding me. Oh, for God's sakes! What is this supposed to be? Because I'm not trying to do this on purpose, but oh my god. I'm trying to do my best right here. No. Sorry. Sorry. No. That is not fair. How are you supposed to be past this level? I thought this was supposed to be easy. I touched it. I touched it, but it wouldn't let me still go past. No. Oh, there you go. I was like, no. I like the way I move from my head. Why is this guy not moving at all? This guy's weird. It's like, come on, I gotta get at least something good. What is this supposed to be? Like, what? Already other people has passed this level. I'm still stuck in this. Who else is stuck? No one. It's basically me. Oh my god! Let's see who's wasting this. Obby. Okay. Not wasting, but I'm clicking on myself. How did that touch? No. Okay, I don't care about this guy anymore. I'm caring about myself. I'm caring about my avatar, not the other guy there. 3, 2, 1. Finally. What do I do now? I think I go to... Oh yeah, this is an obby. I get what you have to try to do. I get it. So I'm still not finished yet. No. This is what things that always have to be happening. These are the things that's always supposed to be happening. You're supposed to be losing. No. How is that fair? No. You gotta be kidding me, right? How? I was literally so close to be finishing that time. Oh! Oh, sorry. Oh my god, that hurts. That was... You saw that, how I stayed up. I gotta somehow survive myself. It's that part that always takes me. Oh, for God's sakes! Some way, he's some way. I'm not even close to becoming a winner yet. No! This is what always happens when you have poor life. I'm not saying that I'm poor. There we go, some way. We got this to be. Thank God that's safe. Thank. I was like, what? I thought that was actually gonna. No! No! Tell me, don't tell me that I have to go back from that jumping place again. That jumping place. No, I should be touching. No, I needed to be touching that. Finally, I found out why. I had to. No! I was like, guys, that. No. That's not fair at all. Scooby. Scooby Dooby. Scooby Dooby. Scooby Dooby. I'm gonna try to end this video right now. I can only record for 15 minutes on this recording thingy. This thing, so I'm gonna try to finish the obby if I can. I won't if I don't wanna, but I mean, this is for you guys. So, for all the fans out there, or YouTubers that are watching this video, who like Roblox videos, make sure you guys hit that subscribe button. And I'll see you guys not next time. Heck no! Well, that's all for you guys today. Make sure you guys smash that like button. And I'll see you guys on next time. Peace out. And have a great day too.